Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope all of you and your family members are fine and all are staying healthy. My dear children, it is a beautiful day. So let's begin our day. Shall we start, children? Yes. Kids, what is the day today? What is the date? Today is 16 November 2020. The date is 16 November 2020. Now children, what is the day today? Today is Monday. And what month is going on? Yes, November. The name of the month is November. Today's date is 16 November 2020 and the day is Monday and the month is November. Dear children, today we are going to do our some maths activity in our maths book. Dear children, I know my dear children, you all learn backward counting from 20 to 1 and today again we will revise it. After that we will write in our maths book. Okay children? We are going to do some activities in our maths book. So children, whenever I am teaching you, your eyes should be on the picture and you all will speak after your math. Okay children? Whenever I am teaching you, your eyes should be on the pictures and you will speak after your ma'am. You will speak after me. Dear children, see, here I am. I have drawn a caterpillar here and some numbers are written in this caterpillar. So today we are going to read the number backward. What we are doing? We will do We will read the number in backward. Numbers from 20 to 1. Backward means children the numbers in decreasing order. You know, all we know, yes or no? Yes, the backward counting means the decreasing order and forward counting means the increasing order. So today we will revise numbers 20 to 1. In backward counting we will read 20 to 1. So my dear children, first we will read this number in forward counting, then we will read that in backward counting. Forward counting means small to, we will start counting from the number 1. Then we will read that numbers in reverse, that is backward counting. Now let's read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Again, if we want to come to 1, then we have to come back again. So we will start from 20. Then we will count it backward. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is backward counting. The reverse counting is called backward counting. When we count the number in backward, the number will decrease. The biggest number will come first, 20, then 19, then 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dear children, what we learn today? Today we learn backward counting 20 to 1. So, my dear children, let us read again. First we read the number from 1 to 20. Then we will read it back. Okay. So, let's start. 1. This is increasing order. 1 to starting from the number 1 we are counting. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is increasing order. So let's read all this number in increasing order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay children, now let's read this number in backward. Backward means in reverse. We will read this number in decreasing. The number will decrease. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is backward counting. What we read today children? We read backward numbers 20 to 1. My dear children, now we will write backward counting in our maths book. So, dear children, open your maths book. Dear children, open your maths book. Yes, open page number 39. Page number 39. Chapter number 19. Here, backward counting 100 to 71 is here. In our last class, we already read these numbers. We have already written in our books numbers from 70 to 1 backward we have already written, and today we are going to write number backward counting 100 to 71. So what I told you children, backward means the reverse counting. Backward means the numbers will come in decreasing order. That is called backward counting. Then counting numbers in backward, it is called backward counting. So open page number 39, chapter number 19, and the chapter name is backward counting 100 to 71. So dear children, let's read all these numbers. Then we will write the number in this box. Okay children, see backward counting 100 to 71. Backward counting 100 to 71. Here numbers are written in backward starting from the number 100 to number 71. We will read it, then we will write the number here. Okay children, so let's start it. When I am teaching children, what I told you, your eyes should be on these numbers. Okay, your eyes should be on these numbers and you all will speak after me. Okay, whenever I am teaching you, you have to speak after me. So open page number 39 and let's start it. 100, 100, 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71. Now let us read it again children. 100, 100, 100, 100, 9, 9, 99, 9, 9, 99, 9, 8, 98, 9, 7, 97, 9, 6, 96, 9, 6, 96, 9, 5, 95, 9, 5, 95, 9, 4, 94, 9, 4, 94, 9, 3, 93, 9, 2, 92, 9, 1, 91, 9, 0, 9, 0, 90, 8, 9, 89, 8, 8, 88, 8, 7, 87, 8, 6, 86, 8, 5, 85, 8, 4, 84, 8, 3, 83, 8, 2, 82, 8, 1, 81, 8, 0, 80, 7, 9, 79, 7, 8, 78. What is this number children? 7, 7, 77, 7, 6, 76. Then what number will come children? Do you know? Yes, 7, 5, 75, 7, 4, 74, 7, 3, 73, 7, 2, 72, 7, 1, 71. Now we will write numbers here. Look at this number, children. Look at this. Look at here, all of you. Write backward counting from 100 to 71. Write backward counting from 100 to 71. Here what to do, children? Do you know? Can you tell me what we have to do here? Yes, we have to write numbers 100 to 71 in backward. How we will write here? We will write numbers 100 to 71 in backward. Understood, children? So, when we are writing backwards, so what number we will write first? Yes, we will write 100. Starting from the number 100, we will write 100 to 71. So, let's start it. 100. 1 0 0 1 0 0 100. Then 9 9 99. Then what number will come, children? Yes, 9 8 98. 9 7 97. Backward means how we will write, children? How we are writing? In decreasing order. Backward counting means decreasing order. We will decrease the number. Okay. The 98, then 97. 97 is the small number than 98. 97. What is the before number? 96. We will write numbers in backward. We will write number in decreasing. Number 96, then 95. 95. 94. 93. Then 92. Yes, 92. 91. Okay, children. I hope you all are clear. Then 91 before 90. 90. 90. 80. 9. 89. 8. 8. 88. 8. 7. 87. 8. 6. 86. Then can you tell me, children, what number will come? Yes, 85. 85. 84. 84. 83. 83. 82. 82. Then 81. 81. Here, children, what number will come? 80. 80. 80. 79. 79. 7. 8. 78. 7. 7. 77. 7. 6. 76. 7. 5. 75. 7 4 74 7 3 73. Then what will be the number here, children? 7 2 72 7 1 71. Already we have written all these numbers in backward, children. Yes or no? Yes, we already completed it. Write backward counting from 100 to 71. Starting from the number 100, we have written to the number 71. So children, let us read it again. 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71. So dear children, read this page. Read numbers from 100 to 71 and write here numbers in backward from the number, counting from the number 100 to 71 in your maths book. Dear children, now open page number 42. Page number 42 from your maths book. Here, what is your chapter number 22 and numbers name 1 to 10. Here's numbers name 1 to 10. What we will learn, children, here? We will learn numbers name. Number and the numbers name. Today only we will read it. See, what is this picture, children? This is a gift box. What is this? Gift box. How many boxes here? 1. Number 1. O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. See, what is this picture? Yes, 2 boys. 2 boys. How many boys is here? 2 boys. 1 boy, 2 boys. 1 boy, 2 boys. 2. T-W-O. 2. T-W-O. 2. Now see, what is this? Yes, 3 bottle. 3 bottle. How many bottles are here? Let's count it, children. 1, 2, 3. 3 bottles. T-H-R-E-E. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. See? 4. 4 balloon. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many balloons are here, children? 4 balloons. How many balloons? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 4 balloons. F-O-U-R. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. 4 balloons. Now see, what is this picture? What picture is this, children? Yes, this is pictures of candles. These are candles. How many candles are here? Let's count it, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. How many candles are here? 5 candles. How many candles? 5 candles. F I V E 5. F I V E 5. 5 candles. Now see how many mushroom? These are, what picture is this, children? This is picture of mushroom. Do you like to eat mushroom? Yes, I like mushroom and we all like to eat mushroom. And see how many mushrooms are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 mushroom. S-I-X 6. 6 mushroom. Now see what picture is this, children? These are crayons. These are crayons. What we are doing, children? Why we use this? What we will, when we are coloring our book, that time we are using crayons. So how many crayons are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 crayon. 7 crayon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 crayon. S-E-V-E-N 7. See, what is this picture? Yes, this is helicopter. These are helicopters. How many helicopters are here, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 helicopters. 8 helicopters. E-I-G-H-T 8. 8 helicopters. 9. What is this? These are chocolates. Do you like to eat chocolate, children? Yes, but too much chocolate is not good for our teeth. If we will eat too much chocolate, our teeth will spoil. So we should not eat too much chocolates. So children, what are these? These are chocolates. And how many chocolates are here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many chocolates? 9 chocolates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 chocolates. N-I-N-E 9. N-I-N-E 9. 9 chocolates. Now see, what are these? These are chairs. What are these, children? These are chairs. How many chairs are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 chairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 chairs. T-E-N 10. T-E-N 10. 10 chairs. So children, what we learn here? We learn numbers name 1 to 10. So let's read it again. one, O-N-E, one. Two, T-W-O, two. Three, T-H-R-E-E, three. Four, F-O-U-R, four. Five, F-I-V-E, five. Six, S-I-X, six. Seven, S-E-V-E-N, seven. Eight, E-I-G-H-T, eight. Nine, N-I-N-E, nine. 10, T-E-N, 10. Dear children, today what we learn? We learn backward counting 20 to 1. Backward counting 20 to and we write backward counting 100 to 71 in our maths book. So, this is your homework to write numbers in backward here, numbers from 100 to 71 in your maths book, and this 2 pages you read counting 51 to 100 and backward counting 100 to 51. Read this number and what we learn today? Today also we learn numbers name 1 to 10. 1 to 10. This page also you read. And children, and practice all this spelling. Dear children, here I have prepared one activities for you, one question for you children. So here what we have to do? We have to match here. So children, here some picture are here and numbers and the numbers name. Here what to do? We have to match the how many pictures with the number, and then we have to match the number with the same number's name. Okay. Now let's begin. Let's start it. What are these children? What is this picture? Yes, these are trees. How many trees? 1, 2, 3. Now can you tell me children, where is the number 3 is here? Yes, this is 3. So what we have to do? We have to draw a line here. Number 3. Then what is the number's name? What is the spelling of 3? Can you tell me children? Yes, T-H-R-E-E, 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Then again we have to draw a line. Now see, what is this picture? These are mangoes. These are mangoes. How many mangoes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mangoes. And 4 number? Yes, this is 4. Match this picture with the number, and then we will match the number's name. F-O-U-R, 4. F-O-U-R, 4. We have to draw a line. Now children, look at the another pictures. What are these pictures? Yes, these are stars. What are these? These are stars. Now we have to count how many stars are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5. Number 5. Then what is the spelling? 5. F-I-V-E. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. So match it. F-I-V-E. 5. Now Next, see this picture. Number. What is this picture, children? Candle. This picture is candle. And how many candles are here? One candle. So, we have to match this candle with the number 1. Here number 1 is here. Then what is the spelling of 1? O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. Then next, see the next picture. Balloon. 2 balloons. How many balloons are here? 1, 2. 2 balloons. Then what we have to do? We have to draw a line to the number 2. Then we will match with the number's name. Thus, find out the number's name. 2. TWO 2. Yes. In this picture, in this activity, what we learn, children? We learn how numbers and the numbers name. Here we count all these pictures and we match with the number and also with the numbers name. So children, today we learn numbers name from 1 to 10. In our next class, we will learn some more things, children. And today is your homework to write numbers in backward 100 to 71 in your maths book, and read counting 51 to 100 numbers and also backward counting 100 to 51. Read these 2 pages and read page number 42, numbers name 1 to 10. Till then, children, today to our next class. Take care and obey your parents and take care of yourself.